Hey guys, welcome back to Sparkman Homestead. My name is Krista and today is Azure Pickup Day. So I am going to try to take you guys along with me. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily be able to have the camera kind of going through the whole pickup. Just because of people's privacies, not everybody wants to be on YouTube, so I will definitely try to get some footage of it. If not, I am going to do a haul video when I get home and kind of show you guys all of what we got at today's pickup. So I'm super excited. I love Azure Day. It's like, I don't know, it's kind of like Christmas for me. All right, so I am gonna have my coffee and eat a little bit of granola, and then we are going to head out to the pickup. And if I don't get any footage of it, then I will see you guys when we get back to the house and I will show you what we got. All right, car is full. We got our stuff. Let's go home and see what's in the boxes. We are back from our Azure drop. We got there late. I got stuck behind a tractor. So we were there, I think we got there 10 minutes late. So I did not get the camera out because it was kind of a rush. At our drop, they actually put down name tags on the ground, and then so everybody helps unload the pallets and they bring their stuff and drop it to where your name tag is. Once everything has been unloaded, then everybody takes their stuff to their car and you go. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. They consider things like this boxes. So I have 8. I have not gone through them yet, so it's going to be a surprise. I did open them up. So let's start with this cheese. So I like to order these 5-pound things of cheese. They come individually packaged, which I love, because I just put them in the freezer. But this is the kind that I get. For 5 pounds of this cheese, it is $26.79. So again, I really enjoy the fact that they are individually packaged and they're yummy. Now we go through quite a bit of coffee. We are both pretty heavy duty coffee drinkers. We found that this kind is okay. It's not Steven's favorite because he does like the really dark coffee, but this is kind of a good mix in between. So this is what we get. Organic, mind, body, and soul. It's a medium coffee. And I ordered 6 of these. So for a 6-pack of this coffee, it was $41.96. I haven't gone through these boxes, so it's gonna be fun to see what we got. So I got 3 Gamma lids. I did price these out compared to Amazon and my Tractor Supply, and for 3 through Azure it's $23.58. I have a couple of buckets that I need to put these on, so I thought I would order them, and then all of my buckets will have them on. These make my food grade bucket, my 5-gallon food grade buckets, so easy to get in and out of. Love them. Okay, let's open this box and see what we have. Okay, so we have some frozen edamame. I tried to grow some this year and it just did not do well for me at all. So I like to get mine here. They are good tasting. So I ordered 2 of them. Yeah, I got 2 of them and they're $2.65 each for 10 ounces. So that came to $5.30. I just gotta get these in the freezer. Don't want them to melt. And then I ordered some of these tortillas. These are yummy tortillas. They are the, what are they? 8-inch ones. I made a mistake and ordered 10 before and they're way too big for us. So I ordered the 8. I ordered flour, I like the flour ones. And for 3 of them, 3 17-ounce packages comes to $11.86. So we just put them in the freezer. These actually usually come frozen, but they are starting to thaw, so I need to get them into the freezer again, but they last us a while. I do make tortillas sometimes, but it is nice to have pre-made just when you're kind of in a rush or just being lazy. Next up, I got some frozen raspberry pieces. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what they look like in this box. These are 5-pound boxes, and for each 5 pounds, it's $12.65. So for 2 of them, it came to $25.30. I absolutely love these. I put them in the microwave and just kind of defrost them a bit and then throw them on my granola. They are super delish. Let me show you what they look like inside. I needed 2 hands to get that open. So this is what they look like. They are just pretty much in like chunks. They're not whole raspberries, but like I said, I am fine with that. I also love these for putting in my kombucha and in Stevens kefir. So those are a super handy thing to have on hand. I am already running out of the stuff that we picked in this summer, so I like having that available. All right, I am gonna open these boxes and then I'm gonna actually put you guys on the tripod because I don't want to be shaking too much. So let's go to the tripod and then I can show you what's in the boxes. I'm just gonna get my phone here too because I have all my prices up on my phone. You know what I'm going to do? Instead of me trying to find the prices, I am just going to, when I edit this, I'm just going to put the prices at the bottom so that you guys can see them because it'll take way too long for me to find all the prices. So I ordered a 5-pound bag of black beans. It is cheaper when you start to buy the bigger quantities, like 25-pound bags, but I don't have the available storage to be storing 25-pound bags of beans. I just don't have the pantry space available. So I get 5 pounds. I will can these up probably in the next couple of weeks. This is kind of more of a winter project for me because in the summer, I'm so worried about trying to preserve the garden stuff because that will go bad. These things I kind of leave for winter projects, but I know that I need black beans in my pantry, so I will probably get to canning these in the next couple of weeks. I ordered a 5-pound bag of pinto beans. Same thing, I gotta get these canned up. I am intending on using these pinto beans to make like a refried bean with. They also go very good in different soups, so I want to make sure that I have these on my pantry shelves. We got a 5-pound bag of white beans. These are small white beans. These ones I plan on canning up to make baked beans with. I love baked beans as a side. They kind of go with anything. So I bought these with the intent of turning these ones into baked beans. So I have been trying to get them the last, I think, 3 months, and they have been out of stock. So I was super happy when I seen that they finally shipped. Same with cornmeal. I ordered a 5-pound box or bag of cornmeal, and this was the same thing. I've ordered this, tried to order it the last couple of months, and it's been out of stock. I ordered this because I actually want to try to make fried green tomatoes. So I am excited to try this cornmeal. There's also directions on the back to make, it looks like cornbread. So I might have to try some of that. I got another block of raw cheddar cheese. So what had happened is I had originally ordered this cheese because these ones are my favorite one because again, I like the individual packaging. So I had ordered these and it was telling me that they were most likely not going to ship because they were out of stock. So I thought, okay, I need cheese this month. I'm running really low. I cut my cheese up and then put it in the freezer and we use them throughout the next couple of months. And so I thought, oh well, I might as well throw this block in. This is a 5-pound block of raw cheddar cheese also, just Azure's version. And well, they both were in stock when they shipped. So now I have a lot of cheddar cheese, which is fine. We use a lot of cheese. I also ordered this 5-pound block of mozzarella cheese. I was getting low on that, so I put that one on. What I will do with this is I will actually shred this all and then individually pack it and put it in the freezer. We use this stuff for like pretty much anything. It's really
pizzas is kind of my go-to. And I love having pre-shredded cheese already in the freezer or in the fridge. So this whole block will probably get shredded up in the next couple of days. And then these are my staple. These I get every single month, and I usually order 2 or 3 depending on what our needs are. I always make my menu a month in advance, so I kind of know what I need to get ordered on Azure, and then I cross my fingers and hope for the best that it's in stock. But these are our go-to. These are the Nancy sour creams, and we absolutely love these. They are so, so good. Show you. Yeah, there's like a thick sour cream. It's really good. I like them. And then I ordered some of these Nancy cream cheeses. I ordered 3 of them. Now, I have ordered 6 in the past because I thought, oh, I'll just put them in the freezer. You know, I put cheese in the freezer and it's perfectly fine. I put these in the freezer and these do not thaw. They do not thaw good at all. They turn to this like mushy mess. So when I ordered these particular things of cream cheese, I know I've got to use them up. They cannot go in the freezer. So I ordered 3 of them because I have a whole bunch of jalapenos that I am going to be making some more poppers with. I already have quite a bit in the freezer, but come winter time, when we start kind of, you know, we're in more, we'll start liking those little appetizers. So I want to get lots of jalapeno poppers in the freezer, so I need to get some more made. So I ordered this cream cheese. Okay, box number 2. This is our last box. Oh, I'll show you guys this. This is the flour that I use to make my bread with, to make everything with. This is the flour that I use. So this is a 50-pound bag. This bag usually lasts us at least 3, maybe 4 months if I'm lucky. I go through a lot of flour because, again, I make everything from scratch. And that is my go-to for my sourdough bread, for my cookies. It is more of a high, I think they say high gluten bread, so it works really good for breads. I don't know. I'll have to double check to see that. But so this is another thing that I have been trying to order for the last, I think, 4, maybe 5 months, is chili powder. They are always out of stock of this. They have been out of stock of the mild kind, and I think that they're permanently out of stock. So I ordered the medium. I read some reviews, and people say that the medium is not spicy. So I'm gonna give this a try. I've also found a chili powder recipe to make my own. I haven't experimented with it yet, but in the meantime, I ordered 3 of these because, again, every time I order it or try to order it, it is out of stock, and we use a lot of chili powder. So excited they finally shipped, and I got 3. Perfect. Next up, I ordered some echinacea root. It is cut and shifted. This I am running low on, and I did not get enough from my plants that I really needed to get me through the winter. I love having echinacea tea on hand. Whenever I feel like I'm getting a little bit sick, I just take some tea. This is, I believe it's 4 ounces. Yeah, 4 ounces. Again, I'm going to be putting the prices at the bottom of the screen just to tell you guys what everything came to. Next up, I ordered the ketchup. The kind I normally like was out of stock, so I ordered these Annie's, and I've got 3 of them. My goal with these ones is I'm going to be making that Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce with. So these are all being made into a barbecue sauce. And then I ordered some dish soap. This is just an Azure kind of dish soap. I order them in these big bottles, and then I just have a little thing at my sink, and I just pour them in. And I found that this dish soap works pretty good. It doesn't like lather like that Dawn dish soap, but I'm not a fan of Dawn. I'm not a fan of Dawn. I'd rather a non-toxic version. So Azure, they kind of meet all my check marks with it. I'm sure there's some not so great stuff in there, but that is better than other options that I have looked at. And then next up, I have a little lemon essential oil. I am almost out of my lemon essential oils. Azure actually has quite a bit of essential oils on their website. And so I ordered this one. I use this when I make my dishwashing detergent. So I go through this a lot. Now this is only a 0.5 fluid ounce. I think it was only like $2 or maybe $3. So this is obviously not going to last me very long. So I might next month order a couple more of these because I do go through this particular type quite a bit. So yeah, I think that is everything that I got today from Azure. My total... Now the way that it works is they charge you, you got your total amount, and then you get something called Azure Cash with certain items that you order. They just give you a little bit of a bonus. And then you pay for shipping. Everything, shipping goes according to weight to what you have on your order. So this order came to, the subtotal came to $317.70. And then the shipping was $27, and then I had $5.36 available in my Azure Cash, and so my total came to $339.34. So I know that if you look at it, you're like, that's like hardly any food for $300. Definitely, it is not a lot of food for $300, but it is really good quality. And if I were to buy this at like another grocery store, I would be paying way over $300 for this stuff. Plus I've got like the dish soap, and I got those Gamma lids, and then you have to remember I have a 50-pound bag of flour plus all of these cheeses. I have 15 pounds of cheese here. So yeah, that is everything I got. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a little bit of an Azure haul, but this is my favorite time of the month when I get to go and do my pickup. And now I gotta put everything away. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, guys, or night, whenever you're watching this. Bye!